for the best 5-axis feature panel printing machine for your global business. For door manufacturers around the world, precision, efficiency, and completeness are the keys to standing out in the global market. If you are struggling with inconsistent printing quality, high labor costs, or difficulty meeting international environmental and quality standards, we have the perfect solution for you. Today, we are proud to introduce our 3D scanning 5-axis feature panel printing machine, designed specifically for global exporters, high-end factories, and every manufacturer who wants to elevate their production to the next level. As a CE/ISO certified door printing panel printing machine, it's eco-friendly, energy-saving, and fully adapts to low global market demands, whether for small batch customization or mass production. Global after-sales service, customer solutions, fast delivery. We are with you every step of the way in your global business. Let's start with its core strengths. The intelligent 3D laser scanning technology, unlike traditional printing machines that require time-consuming manual programming, our machine automatically captures every contour, detail, and curve of your floor panels, whether they are solid wood, MDF, composite, or custom styles. It analyzes the 3D scanning data in seconds. The spring gun moves flexibly in three-dimensional space, adjusting angles and distance in real time. Choose the best CNC printing machine win the global market. Contact us now.